Kia Seltos 2027 is widely rumored to represent a significant step forward for the Korean brand's compact SUV portfolio, as industry insiders point towards a more refined, premium-focused evolution. Early reports suggest Kia is aiming to reposition the Seltos as a bridge between mainstream practicality and aspirational design, reflecting the growing demand for compact SUVs that feel both modern and sophisticated. From a design perspective, the upcoming Seltos is expected to adopt Kia's latest global styling language, featuring sharper proportions, a more assertive stance, and cleaner surfacing throughout the body. Slimmer LED lighting signatures, a reinterpreted Tiger nose grille, and a sportier body kit are all anticipated to give the vehicle a more confident road presence, while maintaining the balanced proportions that have defined the model's success. Inside, the 2027 Seltos is rumored to introduce a noticeably more digital and connected cabin environment. Reports indicate the use of a wider curved display integrating both the instrument cluster and infotainment system, alongside improved material quality and ambient lighting. The emphasis appears to be on creating a calm, technology-driven interior that mirrors the experience of higher-segment SUVs, without sacrificing everyday usability. Technological innovation is expected to play a central role in the new model's appeal. Sources suggest that Kia may expand its suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including enhanced adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, and next-generation parking aids. Connectivity upgrades, such as over-the-air updates and improved smartphone integration, are also likely to feature prominently, aligning the Seltos with Kia's broader digital strategy. Under the bonnet, while official details remain unconfirmed, speculation points towards more efficient powertrain options, potentially including mild hybrid or electrified variants in selected markets. These developments would reflect Kia's ongoing commitment to improved efficiency and reduced emissions, without compromising the responsive driving characteristics expected from a compact urban SUV. Overall, the Kia Seltos 2027 is shaping up to be more than a routine update. If the circulating reports prove accurate, it could emerge as a well-judged blend of contemporary design, smart technology, and accessible premium appeal, positioning the Seltos as a strong contender in an increasingly competitive compact SUV landscape.